Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today we are in the city of Mukdahan. And we are going to eat at a place called Pulp All. It's like an ice cream parlor, but they have also wonderful food here. So let's go inside and let's see what's on the menu. Okay, well, we just ordered some random food and I ordered a Hawaiian pizza. Because last time I came here the other day on a bike ride and I just thought the place looked pretty cool. So I came in here and they had an interesting menu of like som tam. So I had a som tam muyo and it was pretty good. So I saw they had pizza, so I'm gonna order one pizza and maybe some ice cream. They don't serve beer here. I told Paige, I said, we're going to a restaurant that doesn't serve beer. She's like, really? Okay, we got our first dish here. It's called nom jeep. Kanom jeep. Kanom jeep. So it looks pretty interesting. I would have never known to order that before. So let's give the appetizer a try. I like this. This is a little scooper. Wait, selfie time. That's really good. Okay, our next dish is out. This is muyo tod. I've never seen it like that. It looks pretty interesting. No beer, but some wonderful iced tea. Very good. The sauce is really good too. Mukdahan is another Isaan town located right on the Mekong River, and it's a pretty big town. Mostly agriculture, Mukdahan, but it's a pretty big province. I'm regretting I didn't get the pizza last time because it's actually a pretty good size. So I'll have to remember the size of the pizza. But it's really just for one. But I think we'll have enough room for maybe dessert.
Everything comes with
Never ending. Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, your turn.
โอเคไหมยายรุ่นจ้าไม่ได้กินพิซซ่ามากินกินพิซซ่ายายรุ่นกินพิซซ่าอร่อย
Well, let's finish it off with some green tea ice cream. Of course, I had to get the big bowl. They just got the small coconut ice cream. And I got the, in Thai language, it's cha kiao I team.
พอดีคนแหละกินกันนะมันน้ำสกัดที่สดๆ
อร่อยWell, I don't know about you guys, but I'm full. Are you full? Want some more ice cream? What are you doing, taking selfies? Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video of Selfie Queen and No Time to Be Hungry. Well, thank you guys for watching another episode, and we will see you guys on the next video. Bye. Bye.